Gagala na naman tayo. Taipei, Taiwan!
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! So, gagala na naman tayo today!
Yes!
Muntik na naman di matuloy gawa ng bagyong Enteng. Pero, ayun, tuloy tayo. Sabi ng airline. Walang cancel.
Tingnan natin.
Muntik-muntikan lagi.
Parang nangyari na to.
Yes.
Nakaupo ka na sa aeroplano.
Repeat refrain. Pero hopefully, lapit lang naman ng Taiwan, 1.5 hours.
Tsaka weekend lang to.
Weekend gala lang to, gastos.
So tara, let's go!
Tara na!
Puno yung lounge. And
nasa waitlisted kami, pang number 6.
And
kaya lalabas sa yung mga tao, akala ko tapos na sila mag-lounge. Yung pala may pila.
And sira yung aircon ng airport.
So,
merong notice dun sa lounge na sorry for the warm temperature. The NAIA's aircon is under maintenance. Okay.
Diyan ako naniniwala na may forever. Sa AC ng Terminal 3.
Kailan kaya maaayos na?
Abangan.
Anyway, we're gonna go down muna. Kasi text na lang kami pag may available na sa lounge.
2 hours later.
And because they are fully booked, they directed us to the Pags Extension Lounge.
Near the elevator.
So, first time namin doon. I-share namin sa inyo kung anong itsura, kung anong food. Sana naman pareho lang. Let's go.
Isa lang naman yung nagkikater sa lahat ng lounge dito sa Terminal 3.
So, tara na.
Tara na.
So, doon siya sa kabila. Ito yung elevators. Lagpas pa siya if you're coming from the Pags Lounge. Diretso pa siya dun sa may dulo.
Parang yung original Pags Lounge pa right, pero itong extension pa left.
Pa left, yes. So here's the Pags Lounge extension.
I'll just give your boarding pass there. You may proceed inside po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is how it looks like. Of course, they have coffee pa din. Congee. Parang halos pareho lang. Mas marami lang yata na iba pang mga salads in the other lounge. But, all good. Not complaining. The drinks here. They have more food pa pala on this side, malapit sa entrance. So, they have noodles, pancit, marinara pasta, some meatballs, the nachos. This one's my favorite in the lounge. I always get that. Other side is a cereal bar, some cookies and fruits. They have watermelon and orange, puto. You can make your saging con hielo and other pastries, muffin, bread, tuna melt. This is the Pags Lounge extension. We're staying here for now. Well, for today's video. Say hi. Hi. every time nagta-travel kami, we always bring our tumbler. Bumili kami ng a bit small lang na tumbler para madaling daalin, magaan in Decathlon, no? So, we bring that in all our travels. Just this time, kaka-TikTok ko kasi, may nakita ko na tumbler na na-fold. So, feeling ko mas okay siya, ganyan. So, bumili ako. Nasa 100 pesos lang naman. Pero epic fail. Again, basang-basa siya una. Because our tumblers are, yung original tumblers namin, aluminum ba yun? Yung original tumblers namin, aluminum, so hindi siya nagpapawis. And, syempre, matigas. So, madali siyang bitbitin. Pwede siyang pumasok sa pocket ng here. Sa pocket ng bag. But this one, since it's foldable, it's super soft. So, pagbukas mo pa lang, nagsisplat yung water. And then, ayun, okay siya kasi nga, pwede siya parang baso, pero hindi siya okay na dalhin for a tumbler. So, kung may plano kayong bumili ng foldable na ganito, no. Well, ewan ko kung type nyo, pero basang-basa na siya kasi nilagyan namin ng ice. Finally boarding!
Finally boarding.
On time naman.
Ang dami ko gusto na. Antak na.
Pero ito na, we're going to...
considered as a red eye flight? I think so.
Medyo. Let's go to Taiwan!
Yes. Third time in Taipei.
My 5th time.
Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Taoyuan International Airport in Taipei, Taiwan.
Welcome to Taiwan! We're back!
Yes, weekend lang to. Kakain lang kami.
Siglit lang guys ha. Kain lang kami.
Kain lang kami and then uwi na ulit.
Medyo turbulent yung ride. But not as bad as Bangkok.
One down, one to go.
One more. Mabilis lang naman yung immigration. Mga less than 30 minutes. Tapos madami din namang counters na open. So nakuha na namin yung isang bag. Yung isa na lang. Dito naman talaga kami para kumain. Gutom na kami. Pwede namin mag-start kumain. Hey, we got our bags. Let's go.
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala.
We're looking lang for ATM.
First order of business. Actually, hindi naman kami kukuha ng SIM card.
Yep.
Since weekend lang kami, mag-roaming na lang kami.
Turn on lang naman yung roaming. And then that's it. Automatic siya. Ayun, may ATM na. Mag-withdraw lang kami. Nakapila muna kami sa ATM. And then, we're gonna try our luck at the lucky draw.
Yes,
Sana manalo naman kami this time, Taiwan.
Although may spending limit siya at weekend lang kami at least. Meron kaming panggastos galing sa Taiwan. So,
Kung manalo kami.
kung mananalo kami.
Sana
Kasi
naman.
na namin yung Taiwan tourism. Baka naman.
Let's go. Please go time to withdraw from the ATM. Okay, so eto na po kami sa Taiwan in the Lucky Land lottery area. So nag-register kami prior to coming here. We got QR codes for the Lucky Land. Ayan, may QR code na kami. Ready to draw. So sana manalo tayo this time. So try. Ayun. Ayan na! Start. Oh, no, you didn't win.
Game.
Try na. Start.
Yay!
Start.
Just wait.
Oh, no, we didn't win again.
Next time.
So, hindi kami nanalo. Again.
Pero hindi ako umasa masyado. Kasi alam ko masasaktan ako.
Balik kami ulit. Isa
Yes,
pa.
isa
Hanggat
pa.
sa meron
Try.
kayo. Anyway, as Tony said earlier, we're not gonna get a SIM card now. We're just gonna use our roaming, that data roaming, because weekend lang kami. Kakain lang kami. Okay, let's go find a taxi so we can go to our hotel and rest. So, the time now is 2:13. At 3 a.m. merong bus. 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. ba? 5 or 6 a.m. merong
And
train.
then every hour, I guess, or 30 minutes, meron na.
But
Pero,
right now,
since weekend lang kami, hindi na namin maaantay yun. Kailangan na namin punta ng hotel.
so we have the option to take Uber or maghanap ng taxi. So, magta-taxi kami ngayon. Let's go. So, nagpanic kami sa taxi. Baka mahal. We'll try the bus.
Hindi lang baka, mahal talaga.
Try namin yung bus. Balitaan namin kayo kung meron and kung paano kami makakarating sa hotel. We're booked at Tomorrow Hotel. Sa may Siminding area siya. So if you want to book your hotel through Klook, you can use our promo code
Job Explorers Klook!
to get a discount on your booking.
Tara na!
Papunta na kami sa bus. Bus to city. So, when you get down, turn right and then left dun sa dulo para makarating sa ticket counter ng bus.
And they have 7-Eleven here! Kaya lang maliit lang siya. Haba ng pila.
Ayun, so titingnan namin kung what time yung earliest na pwede namin i-take. These are the bus counters. So, nandyan yung mga oras ng bus. Dito yung mga presyo niya. But we're gonna ask what's the earliest going to a station closest to Siminding. So, walang Siminding diretso. But we can get to somewhere close. Taipei Station probably. We'll ask.
Outside number 5. Number 5.
Okay. That's number 5. Thank you. And that's at 3:20 going to Taipei Main Station.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So right now it's 2:22. Earliest bus leaves in an hour at 3:20 and the ticket is for 132 NTD each, and it will take us to Taipei Main Station, and then from there we can take a taxi going to our hotel. At least mas mura na siya. So now go to 7-Eleven so we can eat, because again we're here to eat the egg. Ayan, may mga odeng. Taiwan sausage. 7-Eleven muna kami. Bili ng food. Bawal yung luggage sa loob ng 7-Eleven, so si Tony na lang muna yung bibili ng food. I'm waiting outside now. So kaya din kami nag-decide to take the bus because the Uber would cost 1,500 NTD from the airport to our hotel, which is too much. So bus na lang, 132 NTD lang. And then from Taipei Main Station, doon na lang kami magta-taxi going to our hotel. Our hotel is super close to Cement Station, exit 6. So pagbaba mo kasing kembot lang. We'll show you when we get there. Or probably tomorrow pag mas maliwanag na. So here's our 7-Eleven haul. Dalawang onigiri. We have your sausage with bread and the condiments. This is tofu, fish cake, halo-halo. Open natin. Yan. So, parang siyang odentang. Yes, and then onigiri and Coke. This is for... Yes. Ayan. To open your onigiri, may number siya. This is 1. 2, and then 3. So 1, and then there's an arrow, so it means that you pull it down. Ayan. Yeah. And then 2 here, pull out. There. Then 3, pull this out, and you're left with your onigiri. See? Normal onigiri lang naman siya, but let's try it. This is salmon.
Sarap. And this is chicken. Fried chicken. Sarap din.
Salmon onigiri, chicken onigiri. So we're doing our 7-Eleven mukbang. Sabi sa inyo, kakain mo kami dito.
Oh my God.
I have bread here. Ayun, sa gitna. Nandun yung cut niya. Here's sausage. Put it inside the bread. We have here ketchup. I don't really know what this is. I think this is mustard. I'll try this. Oh yeah, it's good. Wow, this is good. Halo-halo siya, parang may tofu, may sausage, may fish cake. It's not Taiwan sausage, but it's good. And all of this for a total of
266.
266 NTD.
We'll put the conversion here. Pero sabi nga nila, pag nasa ibang bansa kami magpo-convert. Kasi baka masya kayo.
Magka-convert ng convert. Kasi alam mo magkano yung pera mo. Work with how much you have.
Baka nakatipid kami, hindi kami nag-taxing. Batch kami. So, why not indulge ang konti sa food?
So, here's our ticket. We're going out. Nakapila na yung mga sasakay ng bus. Ayan. This is going to Taipei Main Station. Leaves at 3:20 a.m. So, this is how it looks like. Tuturuan naman kayo dun sa counter kung anong bus yung pwede nyo i-take na closest dun sa hotel nyo or kung saan station kayo and kung anong oras yung preferred time nyo. So, friendly naman sila and they know how to speak English. 27 degrees lang naman pero ang init. So, thank you Hannah for my fan.
And thank you, Chap Eka, for my fan. Sponsor.
So, niregaluhan ako ng fan ng birthday ko ni Hannah. And dahil aagawin ni Chap Tony yung fan ko,
Binahan niya ako.
binanan ko siya para tigisa kami, di ba? Walang agawan. In fairness, malakas siya. And malamig. Hindi naman sobrang lamig, pero pwede na. I like this. So, unfortunately, napuno na yung bus. So, sinearch ko lang sa Google, Taiwan Airport to Taipei Main Station bus schedule. Tapos lumabas naman siya dito. We're riding bus number 1819. So, eto siya. And according to this information, na hindi ko masyado naiintindihan, ang naiintindihan ko is may oras, 3:30. So, hopefully, kung tama ako ng intindi, 3:30, may bus na. Here's our bus. After the 3:20 bus, 3:50 yung next. So, every 30 minutes yung dating ng bus. Hindi na kami umabot dun sa 3:20 kasi puno na sila. Finally, here's a bus. This will take around 1 hour until we get to Taipei Main Station and then from there, taxi. So, later na ulit. Bye! So, from Taipei Main Station, we took an Uber. And it's around up to 142 NTD. Tignan natin mamaya magkano siya. So, this is our small room in Tomorrow Hotel. May sabitan ng damit. There's a TV. luggage rack, air purifier here. There's a work table right here with socket, one socket only. Water, no ref. Here's the bed, it's big. And more sockets here in the side table. At least pwede mag-charge dyan. There's a phone, tissue. Medyo malaki naman yung space, pero dalawa lang yung unan. And then the bathroom. May towels naman. May soap. Siyempre, walang bidet. And there's shower gel and shampoo. And that's our whole room. Here in the Moro Hotel. And this hotel, we booked through Klook. We'll put the price below. And if you also want to book this via Klook, you can use our promo code
Travel Explorers Klook
to get a discount on your booking.